back with the silicone case that you've all been asking for, so let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So before we get started, are you a silicone case fan? Let me know in the comments down below. Is this the one you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments down below. It wouldn't be a season of iPhone case videos if I didn't have the MagBak case here, so let's check it out. So this is the MagBak Classic case for the 16 Pro Max. So this is always a classic and it's always asked for on the channel. So makes all the sense in the world to have it here. And I did feature the new MagBak Elite case in my best screen protectors video, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave you a link in the description down below, or I'll put it in a pop-up banner up there. But this has adopted the same box setup, and it has a screen protector for it as well, which is pretty cool. So if we just open this up, you'll see there's the screen protector setup, and then there's the MagBak case itself. And then we also have then our cleaning kit for that, and we have our MagBak magnets, which is a classic feature of the MagBak cases. So I already have a screen protector on my phone, so I'm not going to install this screen protector now. So I'm just going to close that up like so, and we'll set that to the side. So let's check this out. It says here instructions for installing your case, and you can swap out. MagBak are now starting to do different colored buttons and accessories and that type of thing, which is pretty cool. So that's a cool thing to see. I just have the black here, so straight away you can see there we've got this microfiber lining, and it says patented technology from MagBak, and it is the MagBak Classic, which is very, very nice. So this is their silicone case. You know, these are just plastic buttons, plastic molded buttons, and then we have the cutout in for the camera control. So it's pretty self-explanatory. And it's in black. So typically I would normally go for the blue, but I went for the black this time because I've got the natural titanium 16 Pro Max, so I thought black would be a better fit. But the blue would be nice as well. So we'll just weigh this then. So this is weighing in at 48 grams. So yeah, that's kind of the average of a good case, to be honest. We will just pop the phone in here, and I must say, for some strange reason, even though the 16 Pro Max is a slightly bigger phone, this feels like a slightly smaller case, if that kind of makes sense. It feels very fitted and very nice to hold in the hand, which is different. I always kind of thought the MagBak case, while it was a good case, it added just a little bit more squareness, if that made sense, made it a bit wider. It doesn't feel like that this time. So on the back end we've got MagBak's logo and then their name here as well. Not really sure you need both, maybe one or the other, I think is fine. Then buttons, so we do have our lock button, we have our volume up and down, and our action button, and those buttons are clicky, tactile, responsive. That's exactly what you want to see. Of course, then we've got our camera control. So it is more recessed on this side, and then it's a little bit thicker here. So if we just look, that's actually quite solid, where in a lot of cases it's pretty flexible. You could push down on that and it'll bend. That's actually pretty solid there, so that's different. And if we just double click, yep, straight into the camera, and yeah, we can access that camera control with no issues whatsoever. It's easily accessible, even with using my bigger finger there. It's not a problem. That's pretty good, yeah. I like that. Fitment then, so as I briefly touched on, it's pretty solid there around the camera control button. It is relatively rigid up and down the sides there, which is good to see. There's a little bit of flex there where the charging port is, and of course then we've got our charging port and our speaker cutouts there as well. But all the way around it's a full bumper protection case, which is what you want to see. That's really good. So we'll just try our fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners, we'll give the phone a twist, and the phone isn't popping out at the corners. That's what you want to see. The fitment is really, really good there. I'm sure that microfiber lining helps hold the phone in place there, which is a very, very good improvement over last year's case. So I'm a big fan of that. And it won't mark up the back of your phone, so that's good. And then if we just take the corners in, we just give them a push. You can see there how tight the fitment is, really tight there, so that isn't just going to come off, you know, just loosely coming out of your pocket or anything like that, which is really, really good. So screen lip then. So the screen lip is really decent on this case. It is really well raised up and it's consistent all the way around, which is what you want to see. So if you set that down flat, you've got really good lift up protection there. You've also got good space for a screen protector, which is what you want, especially since MagBak are giving you one, which is good. And then if you check out the camera bump, then the camera lenses don't protrude out and they are well recessed as well. So you set that down flat and it isn't going to mark up those camera lenses. That is perfect. That's what you want to see. Feel of the case, I mean, it's a silicone case, but dare I say it, this case feels really good in the hand, and I will be honest, it feels a lot better than Apple's silicone case, and it looks a lot less fingerprinty. And this case is black as well, which is a fingerprint magnet at the best of times. So that's really, really good. I like that. If you're looking for a silicone case, I mean, you know, only thing I would say is MagBak, make some real funky colors, like make like an orange. Make an orange. Oh, go with my watch band. Make some orange, make a tail. Oh, that'd be nice too. More colors, please. More colors. So it is a MagSafe case. We can do a MagSafe test. So if we just take our MagSafe charger, we'll stick it on there. Now MagBak's magnets have always been really, really good. And if we just take our little magnet paper here and stick that on the back, you can see just how extra good the magnets are. So we've got our circular MagSafe ring, and then we have our bottom magnets down there instead of just the traditional guidance magnet of the MagSafe layout. So we've got these extra magnets there as well. So that's what the magnets are for in the box. You can stick them on, and those can be additional mounts. So if you want to mount it in your car, mount it on the wall, mount it wherever you want. That's what those little magnets are for. And yeah, so you'll get that extra good MagSafe strength. It means then as well you can stick it to anything that's magnetic, really. You can just stick it onto the wall. You can, like, I can stick it onto my table leg there, even though you can't see that, but I've just stuck it onto my table leg. But it's really, really good. So I don't expect the MagSafe to be bad here, so let's just, oh yeah, I got that. I just take my hand away. I got that. This stand weighs over 200 grams and it's taking the full weight of the stand. That's exactly what you want to see. And yeah, that's, holy heck. That's really good. So we'll just try some MagSafe charging as well. So we'll just lift the little MagSafe battery pack, we'll stick it on there. And yeah, charging's working there, no problem. There's no interference with all those magnets, so that's good to see as well. That's what you want. You don't want interference to be coming through on that, so that's really, really good. Do you know what? I really like that case. They have made styling changes from the case from last year, and to me, it is noticeable, but in a good way, and it just feels really, really good. This is going to be my new daily, I think. If you're looking for a silicone case, don't buy Apple's, buy this one. Buy the MagBak case. It is much better. You're getting better quality silicone. It's better with fingerprints. It's got better MagSafe. It feels better to hold. Get it bought. Get it bought. So as always, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. But fear not, I do have the MagBak Elite case, which I will be reviewing as well, so stay tuned for that coming. That will come a little bit later. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked on the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessories coming for you, so stay tuned. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Nobody needs an Apple case. You've got a MagBak.